Good morning. Is it morning still? Oh, it's already afternoon. Today is flying. Good afternoon. It's Jerrad Havins here, your financial freedom strategist, co-founder, CEO of Credilife Inspiring Financial Wellness. This is for you. This is for our clients. Okay? Now check this out. You may have seen we're starting to get the messaging out, but we have rolled out something absolutely spectacular. So I want to ask you, you're our client, okay? We're doing this for you, and I want to ask you right now, did you enroll with Credilife because you want to get your credit profile and financial position to qualify for a mortgage? If so, you need to reach out to our team because we have rolled out something that we're calling the Credilife Mortgage Readiness Guarantee. Here's what it looks like. If that's your goal, there are some conditions involved, but they're very good because remember, this is a two-way street. There's credit repair, credit building, debt management, introduction to budgeting, and accountability coaching. This is everything in your program. So what we're going to do is this. If you have that goal to qualify for a mortgage, our guarantee to you is that we'll get you there in 8 months or less. And if 8 months go by, you qualify, you don't pay, we'll refund your monthly membership dues. Okay? Now here's the kicker. Because you're active in the program, the reality is you'll probably get there even faster than 8 months. But there's some things that we have to go over with you, our team and you, that if you're interested in opting into this program, that's a value add that doesn't cost you anything on top of what you're doing, reach out and we'll add that to your program, this guarantee. But it starts when we go over it and we sign the addendum, okay? Because, and you'll find out why, when you talk with our team, you're gonna find out why. There's very specific things that we're doing in addition in this program that require your time and attention on top of everything that we're doing on your behalf, okay? So if you're committed, realistically, I'd say you'll want to be able to commit about an hour per month focused on this program, okay? But I'm telling you right now, if you do those things, you're going to succeed. That's why we're doing this, all right? So if you're interested in opting in on top of the program that you're in now with us, this is for you. Reach out to our support, and we're going to get you connected with the right people to go over how you get enrolled into this program on top of what you're doing. It doesn't cost you anything. In fact, it's going to help you keep you motivated, and we're going to add the guarantee to it. All right? Love it. So all you got to do is email support@yourcreditlife.com. From there, our team will help get you over to the right person within a matter of, give us 1 to 2 days, 1 to 2 days max, because we have a lot of people reaching out about this. But we will get to you, okay? We're going to talk to you about this. We want to get you on the phone. We're going to go through it together. And we're going to go through, okay, here are the things that you'll want to expect to contribute throughout the program. Here's what we're going to be doing on your behalf. Here's how they work together. And here's why we can give that guarantee. What's the guarantee? 8 months or quicker. We guarantee that we're going to get your credit profile in a position of pre-qualification for a mortgage. That is our guarantee. If we don't hit that within 8 months or less, but at that 8-month mark, you qualify, well, you don't pay, right? We'll refund your membership dues, or you'll have the opportunity to continue to work with us at no additional cost. You'll be able to choose. But we're not doing this to refund a bunch of money, obviously, right? We're a business. We're doing this because we've helped tens of thousands of people get into homes. We want you to succeed. We want to see you get in that home. And so we're going to add this guarantee to it, all right? But remember, you have to commit. You have to be willing to put forth focused energy per month. You'll see what I'm talking about when you connect with our team on it, okay? So email support@yourcreditlife.com. Share this with your friends. Share this in the community. Share this in our groups because we want to help a ton of people this year, all right? Talk to you soon.